Maths Class 8 Understanding Quadrilaters. Must go everyone. I hope you are enjoying our videos and day by day learning something new from these videos. If you have any feedback, any suggestion, please write down in the comment section. Your feedbacks are very precious for us. So now let's move to our today's topic, that is understanding quadrilaters. So start with the beginning. Plane surface. What is the plane surface? A flat surface like paper, whiteboard, blackboard. That means all the flat surfaces or smooth surfaces on which we write are called plane surfaces. Okay, tell me, what do we draw on these surfaces? We draw plane curves. And what is this plane curve and how do we get it? When we get a curve by joining the number of points without lifting the pencil is a plane curve, and it could be open curve or it could be closed curve. As we can see here in our images, that if our starting point and ending point are different without overlapping or crossing the line, then it is called open curve. And if the starting point and the ending point are same, then it is a closed curve. Okay, now we will learn what is the polygon. So the simple closed curve which are made up of only line segments are called polygons. Polygons are classified according to their side or vertex. If a polygon has 3 sides, then we call it a triangle. If a polygon has 4 sides, then we call it a quadrilateral. If polygon has 5 sides, then it is called a pentagon. If it has 6 sides, then we call it a hexagon. In the same way, if it has 7 sides, then we call it a heptagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon, 10 side decagon, and so on. Now we will learn diagonal. What is the diagonal? Any line segment which connect the two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. For example, as we can see here, how many vertex we have in this diagram? A, B, C, D. That means 4 vertex. So can you tell me what is the consecutive vertex of A? If we go in anti-clock direction, then the consecutive vertex of A is B. And if we go in clockwise direction, then the consecutive vertex of A is D. So that means what is the non-consecutive vertex of A? That is C. So that means a line segment which join A and C is called the diagonal. So that means AC is a diagonal of this figure. Here are some images where you can get that a triangle has no diagonal, a quadrilateral has 2 diagonal, a pentagon has 5 diagonal, and a hexagon has 9 diagonal, and so on. Okay, what is the convex polygon? A polygon which have all the diagonal inside the figure are called convex polygon. Then what is the concave polygon? The polygon which have at least one diagonal outside the figure are known as concave polygon. Okay. Polygon are of two types, regular polygon and irregular polygon. What are regular polygon? Polygon which are equiangular and equilateral are called regular polygon. That means if a polygon has all its side equal and all its angle equal, then it is a regular polygon. If any polygon is not satisfying these two conditions, then it is a irregular polygon. Now, angle sum property. The sum of all the interior angle of a polygon remains the same according to the number of sides, regardless the shape of the polygon. How do we find the sum of the interior angle of any polygon? We use this formula, n minus 2 into 1 upon 80, where n is the number of sides. That means if we have to find the sum of the interior angle of a triangle, then we know that triangle has 3 sides, so we will place 3 instead of n and we get 180. That means 180 is the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle. If we take a polygon with 4 sides, that means a quadrilateral, then if we put 4 instead of n, then we get 360. That means the sum of all the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Exterior angle of a polygon. The sum of exterior angle of any polygon will be 360, regardless the sides. That means it doesn't matter that how many side a polygon has, the sum of all the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. So today we learn about curve, polygons, sum of interior angle, exterior angle. I hope you have understood all these things very well. See you in next video with some more information about quadrilaterals. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, be inquisitive. Miles to go.